Look at me for a second. Really look at the life you are being told to build. From the moment we can speak, we are fed the same fairy tale. Study hard, get a degree, find a stable job, and sacrifice your best years for 40 years of labor. They promise you can finally start living when you retire at 65. But this system is fundamentally broken. It was designed for a world that no longer exists. We have been lied to about money and freedom our entire lives. Today, I am going to set you free. I'm showing you the truth that the top 1% uses to stay ahead while everyone else runs on a hamster wheel of debt. Lie number 1, your car is an asset. The most expensive lie is the idea that your car is your greatest asset. We're conditioned to believe a luxury vehicle is the ultimate sign of success. But look at the math. If something takes money out of your pocket every month through interest, insurance, and maintenance, it is a liability. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it loses 20% of its value. You're paying interest on a piece of dying metal. Real wealth is built by owning things that pay you to own them. Stop buying things to look rich to people you don't even like. Every dollar spent on a useless car payment is a soldier lost in the battle for your freedom. Lie number 2. You need a fortune to start. Most people wait their entire lives to invest because they believe you need a massive salary to start. But wealth is a discipline, not a salary. If you cannot manage $100 today, you will never manage $1 million tomorrow. You can start building your empire with just a small amount of money. Thanks to compound interest, time is more powerful than your initial investment. Small, consistent actions today will always outperform massive actions taken too late. Discipline is the only bridge between your goals and your reality. Master your money while it is small, or you will never master it when it is big. Lie number 3, investing is a gamble. Society tells us the stock market is just gambling for the elite. But the real gamble is depending on a single paycheck that could disappear tomorrow. Relying on one source of income is the most dangerous position you can be in. Think of your investments as money soldiers. They work for you 24 hours a day while you sleep and while you travel. They don't get tired and they never complain. When you leave money in a savings account, inflation eats your future every single day. The only real risk is doing nothing and hoping everything will just work out fine. Lie number 4, education. Ends at graduation schools are designed to create good employees, not financially free individuals. They teach you to follow orders, but never how to make money work for you. Most people stay stagnant because they believe their education ends the day they receive their diploma. Self-education is what builds fortunes. The most valuable asset you will ever own is the space between your ears. Spend more time investing in your mind than you do on entertainment. Your bank account will only grow as fast as your mindset does. Lie number 5. Wealth is luck. The most destructive lie is that wealth is a matter of luck. This lie allows people to feel comfortable in their mediocrity. It gives them an excuse to quit. But wealth is not luck. It is a deliberate choice. It is the result of thousands of small, disciplined decisions. Most people choose comfort over growth. But if you want what the 99% don't have, you must do what they won't do. Consistency creates the environment where luck can find you. The conclusion: the system wants you in debt, tired, and compliant. But you are better than that. You have the tools and the potential to break the cycle right now. What is the very first asset you are going to buy? Let me know in the comments below. This is not just about money, it is about taking back control of your life. Stop waiting for permission. Follow for the truth and start moving. This is Money Motion.